The pilot's house, part screened and part lake access home with spectacular views of the Merifield Acres AIR Strip. 3 bedrooms/2 bath has a wraparound porch, partially screened, to enjoy the wide open expanse across the airfield. The main level has an open floor plan and 3 sets of glass doors leading to the porch. Hardwood floors and a brick hearth fireplace add to the charm. The style is reminiscent of New England. There are 2 main level bedrooms with a full bath between. The second level master level features a vaulted bedroom, loft area and full bath. A short ride to your private U-shaped dock at Oak Park. Merifield Acres amenities include miles of roads to walk, bike or jog, tennis court, of course the airstrip and Oak Park and SHENTEL for High Speed Internet and Cable.Com flyway to this affordable Kerr Lake Access home in Merifield Acres. Convenient to golf and Clarksville on the lake.